Hi guys, this is Yein from Craftiviti. We had a question regarding candle dyes. This person wrote into us at #askyein, and she asked how or when do I add in my candle dye to my wax. There is no hard and fast rule on candle making. It depends all on trial and error, but the general ruling is to make sure your wax is completely melted down before you add in your candle dye. It's that simple. And then right after your candle dye, because it doesn't interact with heat, you can add in your fragrances, your fragrance oils, or your essential oils. So that's how you add in the sequence. So it's melt the wax, add in the dye, add in your fragrance, and then you can pour it into your mold. Now, the question is, how much dye do you need to add? That's another very popular question. A lot of people will add dye based on how they see the color change. You want it darker, you want it lighter, it's completely up to you. But make sure you get a good dye base. If not, it will inhibit the burning of your candle. And if sometimes you add too much dye, it will also inhibit the burning of your candle. So with all candle makers out there, do trial and error, do a test batch. Test your wax with your dye, let it cool, see if that's the intensity of the color you like. If it's the intensity of the color you like, apply the same ratio to your bigger batch of wax. I hope this helps you somehow. If you have any other questions, please #askyein and I will get to it as soon as possible. So happy crafting!